When you work at a small business, IT can be a big deal. At first, there were just a few of you, until one day, there were 50. And 50 people could mean 150 devices to manage. That's a small business with not so small IT demands. That's where we come in. Introducing Apple Business Essentials. It makes managing Apple devices as easy as using them. Oh, hi. We help with setup, onboarding, backup, security, support, repairs, updates. Whew. First, save time with setup. Well, that was fast. From there, onboarding is as easy as logging in. And you can back up using iCloud. Easy. Not to mention, there's built-in security, 24/7 support with AppleCare, and repairs when you need them. Plus, it's easy to get replacements and update devices. It's like having a big IT department without having a big IT department. So no matter how much the business grows, we're here to make it easy, every step of the way. Apple Business Essentials.